Hello traders. Today we are looking at the market way indicator for MetaTrader 4. This tool overlays visual cues on your chart to help you observe the indicator's assessment of current market direction. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports. And there we have it. On the chart, the indicator typically displays arrows color coded candles or bands that reflect the detected direction in a separate window, as you can see here. When the indicator shifts from one direction to another, the visual elements change accordingly, making it easy to see transitions in the tool's reading. As for the indicator settings, the settings allow you to adjust the sensitivity of the directional calculation, change the display colors, and modify alert options. You can fine-tune these parameters to match your preferred analysis style and reduce or increase the frequency of direction changes. As for what the indicator is for, the indicator is suited for traders who want a visual directional reference. It is a visual and analytical tool only and does not execute trades. Direction changes can occur frequently in choppy markets, leading to potential false signals. Always use additional confirmation from other tools or analysis methods. If you'd like to download this tool or learn more, I've included a link in the description below. This has been another video from the Forex Geek. If you found it useful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.